Hello and welcome to Nails for Sanam. In this video, I'll be reviewing this gel and gel cat eye magnetic nail polishes or gel polishes, I would say. And it has a stunning cat eye magnetic effect, and I'm going to test them out all. So, out of the box, we have six gel polishes plus this six display sticks and two piece of magnet. So let's check out the colors. So the first one is a silver color, and which is beautiful, and I'm topping up on a black base coat. And when I hover the magnet, it has this galaxy effect, which I really love. And it is, you can shape with different style, and then if you like to leave it on all of them, or you wanted to make a line like this, so it's like a concentrated line in the center, and with this round magnet you can shape it like a rounded, just like this. So I had really fun trying these magnet, and these are super cool. It is highly dense magnetic powder, and this is the another color from this stellar collection, and I'll link everything down in the description box. And this one is like a steel gray color, which I really love. It is very pretty. I don't know if the camera catches all, but in person it is super pretty, and I really love to play with them. And these are soak off gel polishes. So and this one is a bronzy brown color, slightly with the gold flakes, and look at them, it is so sparkly and wonderful effect. So I highly recommend to all of you who loves gel polishes and looking for a cat eye effect. This is very effective. So this is like a bluish teal with a multi glitter flakes, and I really like this color as well. And the effect is stunning. I mean, look at this, just applying is just so beautiful, and if I apply the magnet, it just mesmerizing. Wow, look at this. And if I bring it more closer, then look at the effect. Oh my goodness. And you can just cure it and it will stay like this. Super pretty. I can't help taking my eyes off of it. It's so glittery and sparkly. It's almost magical. Look at the effect as I hover the magnet. It has a dense magnetic particle, so it gives you a stunning effect. Now this one is pure like a white silver color, and it is also very pretty. Wow, look at the effect. It looks like a Milky Way effect, and it is just so magical. And this next set is the Ruby Radiance set. So I'm going to swatch it again on the black base coat. Make sure you apply a thin layer and cure it between the coats. And this one has a stunning effect. I mean, it's so mind-blowing. Look at this. And the other shade that I like is this M282. It's a bronzy peachy bronzy color, and it is a very beautiful shade, and it has a really stunning effect. And I cured it and I applied the second coat, and then I applied the magnet in a different direction, and look at the effect that it has. It's almost a 3D kind of effect, and you can be creative with this. And this one is pure bronze, gold bronze color, and I wish they had name, but they don't have names, they have numbers. So this is 283, And again, it is very stunning, perfect for festive season color. Look at the gold flakes in it. I just love it. So I have linked all the products in the description box, and this was sent by Gellen Gel. You can check out their website for more colors like this Nebula Twirl magnetic selection and a bunch of others, and also they have regular gel polish as well. So I'm going to link everything in my description box. So please check that out, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.